Now, on your computer, there are dozens, maybe hundreds of programs running silently in the background. Some came with Windows, while others were installed maybe years ago and you forgot about them. But there are some programs that you actually haven't installed at all. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you a free tool made by Microsoft. And that tool actually shows what programs are running on your computer and where hackers usually hide. Hi, my name is Kirill, and on this channel we usually break down some tools and different techniques that professionals use. If that sounds like your thing, hit subscribe. Let's get into it. So when you turn your computer, Windows doesn't just load itself, it actually loads a lot of different stuff. It loads programs automatically, drivers, update services, browser helpers, and other tools. And those are mostly harmless, they just required to run some programs properly. But at the same time, this is exactly where malware likes to hide. Why? Because when a hacker can get their code to launch every time you boot up, they don't need to break in twice. They already have a persistent access. And as you see, Windows Task Manager is not that good in this term. Yes, it can show some information, but it's not enough. And this is where actually this tool comes in handy. It's called Autoruns, and it's made by Mark Russinovich, sysinternals, and it's like a huge suite of really useful tools. But in this video, I'm just showing you Autoruns. So in order to install it, you can download the zip file. I already have it. And let's see. And by the way, there is no need for installation. And you might be overwhelmed with this whole stuff. Just calm down. It's not everything in here is actually required, but for us to kind of start over, we can use a simple logon where just the stuff which is going to be loaded when you run your computer is located, right? Like Brave, Microsoft Edge, usually some installer, applications like OneDrive, which is going to be an essential Microsoft tool. But there's also a trick. You can actually hide Microsoft tools, and as you see, only stuff that is not Microsoft related is gonna be here, except for the CMD.exe. I don't know what's in here, but yeah. So let's see some real examples. For instance, we'll take our port master and, let's pretend we don't know what kind of a software is this. First of all, we're gonna see the description, the name of it. Then we're gonna see where exactly it's located. Then publisher, who actually published this thing, and if it's verified or not. And then the image path, right? This is the executable path. And of course the timestamp. So for instance, we think that this is something really bad. So we just click and say check virus total. And it's clean. And if you click on it, it will send you directly to the file itself into the virus total. And yeah, we kind of installed a couple of different tools in here. Services. And here we can see a lot of different services. And for instance, as I mentioned before, there is a service that keeps Brave software up to date. And if you want to steal it to run, you can leave it as is, or you can actually disable it. Okay, we go to the services. So next time it's not going to be loaded with your operating system as well, which makes it easier to run, right? And there's CCleaner. I don't really trust this thing, and if it's not found. So I would not trust the CCleaner at all, but even though it's verified, but just to be safe, we can turn it off as well as all the other Brave stuff. And yeah, those are the basics. Usually log on. You want to also clean this thing if there are some software leftovers. Like I don't have Brave at all, and I'm not planning to use it at all. So for me, delete actually makes sense. And Outruns is one of those tools that when you use it, you can actually believe that it's free, because many professionals in the industry use this tool for investigations, especially in enterprise environments. And you can just download this tool and use it today. Drop a comment and share with the community what kind of weird stuff you actually found using the Outruns tool. And time to time, I also share information about different other open source tools and some useful tools that can be used for stuff like investigations, especially for personal usage. I'll also create a playlist where you can find different tools consolidated into the one single playlist. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.